So you guys are probably already familiar with this, the BF360 from HAVN. That case came to us recently and we absolutely loved it, and they're now going into a completely different direction with something you put in your case, that being the XR 1000 watt Platinum A++ PSU right here. Now, it's very rarely that we get to see what the inside of a power supply actually looks like, but thankfully they provided it for us right here. So you can see not only what all of the interior looks like, what the fan looks like, what the grill looks like, it's all here. Now, they are trying to not just make any PSU, everyone makes PSUs now. They are trying to make literally the best PSU ever when it comes to its performance, and guess what? They are actually able to do it. With them already beating the competition in these early samples, they are able to showcase here. Unfortunately, when it comes to anything like a precise release date or price, we don't have anything like that just yet. However, we know it's hopefully sometime in Q1, Q2, that you should be able to buy this. Right now it just says very unhelpful, coming soon. And obviously it goes without saying, but it's fully modular as well, with support for PCIe Gen 5 16-pin connectors as well. So let me know if you're excited for this, because I know I very much am, and there's probably going to be some coverage of it when it arrives at our office. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Jalov Roniak, Balazs Voka, Patrick Harrison, and another pseudonym. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Jalov Roniak, Balazs Voka, another pseudonym, Max Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.